Hello guys, it's your girl real Betty B. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, by the way, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make juicy chicken. Without further ado, let's go. First step, blend peppers, ginger, garlic, onions to a smooth consistency. Thoroughly wash your chicken and get rid of excess water from the bowl. Next, you begin to spice. Sorry, the chili pepper was added off camera. You add your turmeric powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, thyme, black pepper, salt, noodle spices, chicken flavored bouillon cubes, and stir afterwards so that the spices can soak properly to the chicken. Simply transfer into the pot and cook without additional water. Juicy chicken is ready. That is it, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time,